Hard drive removal. To begin, get your Torx T6 screwdriver and your flathead screwdriver. First, you will notice a ribbon cable that connects from the logic board to the hard drive. Remove this with your flathead screwdriver. Next, you will notice a thin piece of yellow tape. Remove this with your flathead screwdriver. You will also notice two connections that is connected to the ribbon cable on top of the hard drive. Gently remove these with your flathead screwdriver. Next, take your T6 screwdriver and remove the two Torx T6 screws and the bar alongside the hard drive. Once the bar is removed, lift the hard drive up and out to remove.